Hi, I'm Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to change the default comment in Microsoft Excel. The easiest way to go about this is, well, let me first show you what I'm talking about. So when you create a new comment in the Review tab, if you click New, the comment pops up, and right now my default comment is, "These are notes for you," which I just added a moment ago. I just added in a comment. I'll show you how I did that, and I'll show you how to change it. What you do is go into Excel, click Preferences, General, and then the information is actually pulled from your username here. That's the easiest way I find to change the default comment. So you can change that to simply Notes if you wanted to, and click OK. Now the original note is going to keep that comment in there, but if you create a new one, you'll see that the default has changed. And you can go back and change this original note if you'd like to. You can delete it, create a new one, and now that original note has changed as well. So that's how to change the default comment in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope that helps. Thanks.